If you're thinking it's about time to switch some outdated checkout technology for something more modern, I'm here to tell you that it can be a super lucrative change for you to make that happen. My name is Scott Moran. I'm the co-founder here at SamCart, the online platform for entrepreneurs where they sell their stuff and make more money. This place is home to more than 20,000 entrepreneurs who have sold more than $5 billion of their own stuff all day. Every day, about $100 million a month in sales goes through SamCart. So we know what we are talking about. And so if you are ready to do the same switch that so many others have already done, and you're ready to take a really bad old checkout page that kind of looks like this, bad customer experience, it's slow, it's not working on mobile, and replace it with something that looks more like this. Super sleek, lightning fast, opportunities to close more customers and make more money, then this is for you. SamCart's latest checkout technology is not just about creating an awesome checkout page. It is about creating what we call CheckoutOS. And making this shift can be super profitable. Like Sean Fargo. This guy's in the meditation space. He sells courses and services and all that stuff. He switched over from ThriveCart to SamCart, and his sales are up 82% by making this change. One SamCart seller in the music space is now converting 2.5 times more visitors into customers after making this change. And even if we just look at our existing customer base, the customers who are selling on this new technology are converting 51% more visitors into paying customers by using our latest stuff. In this video, I want to show you exactly 5 things SamCart does at checkout that are going to boost your sales and make you more money. And you're going to see exactly how effortless it is to turn them on and start making more today. Let's go ahead and dive into a SamCart account and create our very first product from scratch in the next 60 seconds. All right, so from a SamCart account, it is as simple as going to your products tab, loading up all your products, and clicking on new product. Out pops this nice window where we give our product a name, a description, and choose how to price it. With SamCart, it's super easy to sell one-time payments, to sell physical products, to sell digital subscriptions, to sell physical subscriptions, free trials, pay what you want pricing, whatever you need. But let's go ahead and create it. After we create the product, we're going to go to the Payments tab, and we're going to do a couple of things. We're going to make sure credit card payments, PayPal payments, alternative payment methods, and digital wallets are all on. Then I'm going to toggle over to the Offers tab and scroll down to the bottom and create a quick coupon code, which we will use to do a very cool thing we call auto discounting in just a second. Scrolling back up to the top, I'm going to click on the Share button, and here is where the different checkout experiences come into play. You have Express, you have Embed, which you can drop on a page. It is also how you use Slide Out, like we showed at the beginning. And then you can make a full sales page, a full landing page. All we need right now is go to Express, copy that URL, and we're going to open it in a new tab. And here we have it right here, and I want to show you this on mobile just so you can see exactly how beautiful and sleek and easy this is for your customers to buy. So I told you there would be 5 things that this can do that's going to make you more money. Number 1 is this auto discounting feature. You'll notice up here right at the top of the page that I have automatically applied a discount for your customers. We know that with orders that have coupon codes applied, right, the conversion rate is 296% higher, almost 3 times higher when coupon codes are applied. And being able to automatically apply it for your customer is a huge boost to conversion. Number 2 is one-click Apple Pay. You'll notice I have not typed in anything on this page. No name, no phone number, no anything. But if I click on Apple Pay, it's going to pull in all of that information for me. The third thing I want to tell you about is the stored credit card network you get access to. So if I go ahead and type in my email address, watch what happens next. SamCart's going to recognize that number. It's going to send me a text message where I can confirm my identity and who I am. And just like that, boom, I have a stored credit card waiting to be used. The stored credit card network is wild. It's almost a full third of orders placed on SamCart are now using this stored credit card network. And it's that easy. Your credit card is waiting for you, right? And the really cool part is if I leave and go and come back, my stored credit card is still waiting for me because I authenticated. You don't need to do it again for another 90 days. So imagine how many more of your products you'd be selling if your customers showed up to buy and their credit card was already waiting for them. Number 4 that I want to show you, I have to actually log out of this to go do it, is you'll see how beautiful and mobile responsive this whole thing is, right? Going in and plugging in information, it is so smooth and so good, even on a mobile device like the one we're using right now. And now I'm plugging in dummy information, so it's not going to look very good. But you can see how smooth and how great this thing looks on mobile. 71% of all SamCart orders are now being placed from mobile devices. So if buying your stuff doesn't look and feel and work as smoothly as what you're seeing here, you are in big trouble. And then the last one, number 5, is down here at the bottom. You can see we have buy now, pay later options available from Affirm, Klarna, and Afterpay, where your customers can actually get whatever you have right now, right? And they can get an interest-free payment plan from Affirm, Afterpay, and Klarna. Like you can see from Klarna, it would take this $79 charge and break it into 4 payments, interest-free to me, the customer, and you, the seller, get paid in full upfront right now. So you would make your full $79 minus credit card processing fees. And your customer, you're not responsible for collecting any of those future payments, right? Absolutely wild. Any of you guys selling high ticket coaching, selling high ticket anything over $500, right? A big course, a cohort service, whatever, right? These buy now, pay later options are absolutely changing the game. And of course, don't forget, there is also PayPal available for absolutely everything. So that is a quick glimpse into the tip of the iceberg of SamCart's CheckoutOS. 5 features that are going to help you convert more visitors into paying customers and sell more things. Make a couple extra sales a week, a couple extra sales a month. In another follow-up video, we'll dive into even more of the features like order bumps, upsells, upgrades, things that help you make more money from every single customer and multiply your profits. Down below this video, you guys can actually go ahead and get a free trial of SamCart and get set up, start creating your products and selling right now. You can also book a time to talk with someone on our team about your business, get one-on-one questions answered, and potentially even get our team's help setting up and building out, migrating your business over to SamCart for you. Check out those 2 links. Thanks for watching. I'm Scott Moran, co-founder here at SamCart. We'll see you guys in the next one.